वेलकम बैक टू माय स्टडी चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स। दिस इज सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक। फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम, then this topic is most important for your preparation for your selection. So without wasting time, let's start. Friends, we have discussed 21 questions earlier, so today we will start from question number 22. Question number 22 is light absorbed by chlorophyll. Here light absorbed by chlorophyll is converted into A is light energy, B is autotrophic energy, C is chemical energy and D is kinetic energy. Guys, guess the answer. Here the right answer is 22 का जो right answer है that is option C, that is chemical energy. Next question is question number 23. In a carbon, that is C, free solutions of minerals plants. In a carbon free solutions of mineral plants, A is cannot grow, B is can grow well, C is will lose their green color and D will die. Guys, guess the answer. In a carbon free solution of minerals plants dash. So I hope आपने आंसर जो है गैस कर लिया होगा 23 का. Here option B is the right answer, can grow well. In a carbon free solution of minerals, plants can grow well. Next question is question number 24. Hydrogen and oxygen are obtained through. Hydrogen and oxygen are obtained through A is stomatal pores, B is water lining on the mesophyll layer and C is photolysis of water, D is water plant intakes through roots. Guys, guess the answer. I hope आपने आंसर गेस कर लिया होगा. 24 का जो राइट आंसर है that is option D. Option D is the right answer. Water plant intakes through roots. This is the right answer. Question number 25 is stomatal gourd cells perform all functions but. जो stomatal gourd है गार्ड सेल है वो परफॉर्म करता है सभी फंक्शन बट ए इज़ प्रोड्यूसिंग शुगर्स, बी इज़ प्रोटेक्टिंग द इनर रीजन्स ऑफ लेफ्ट, सी इज़ रेगुलेटिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर लॉस्ट एंड डी इज़ क्लोरोप्लास्ट स्टोरेज. गाइज, गेस द आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. आई होप आपने आंसर गेस कर लिया होगा. हियर द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज प्रोटेक्टिंग द इनर रीजन ऑफ लेफ्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. Hydroponics refer to A is growing plant without soil, B is growing plants in air, C is growing plant in soil and D is all of these. Guys, guess the answer. Hydroponics refers to. Here the right answer is, I hope आपने आंसर टिक कर लिया होगा. Question number 26. Option A is the right answer, that is growing plants without soil. So चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 की तरफ. Left base is also referred to as. Left base is also referred to as A is lamina, B is left blade, C is petiole and D is none of the above. Left base is also referred to as dash. Here the right answer is, I hope आपने आंसर टिक कर लिया होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, नन ऑफ above. लेफ्ट बेस इज आल्सो रेफर्ड टू एज. गाइज, आपके लिए आज का होमवर्क ये है. क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 27 है दैट इज लेफ्ट बेस इज आल्सो रेफर टू एज डैश. सो क्या रेफर करते हैं? जो लेफ्ट बेस है इज आल्सो रेफर टू एज, उसे जो है क्या रेफर किया जाता है, ये आपने जो है कमेंट बॉक्स में इसका आंसर मेरे को कमेंट करना है. ठीक है, ये आज का आपका होमवर्क है. लेफ्ट बेस इज आल्सो रेफर टू एज, यहाँ पे नन ऑफ द एबव जो है आंसर है. सो है क्या चीज़, उसे जो है आपने मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 की तरफ. प्राइमरी फैक्टर्स कंट्रोलिंग रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस आर नोन एज. प्राइमरी फैक्टर्स controlling rate of photosynthesis are known as. A is inhibiting factors, B is limiting factors, C is expediting factors and D is supporting factors. Question number 28. Here the right answer is option B, that is limiting factors. Primary factors controlling rate of photosynthesis are known as limiting factors. Option B is the right answer. Question number 29 is leaves can not perform. यहाँ पे जो है इन्होंने थोड़ा सा लिख दिया है लीव्स कैन नॉट परफॉर्म फोटोसिंथेसिस विदाउट. जो लीव हैं वो क्या नहीं कर सकते, कैन नॉट परफॉर्म फोटोसिंथेसिस विदाउट, किसके बिना नहीं कर सकते. ए इज अपर एपिडर्मिस, बी इज लोअर एपिडर्मिस, सी इज मेसोफिल सेल्स एंड डी इज जाइलम ट्रांसपोर्टिंग वाटर एंड मिनरल्स. गाइस गेस द आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. आई होप आपने आंसर गेस कर लिया होगा. Here the right answer is option D, that is xylem transporting water and minerals. This is the right answer. Next question is question number 30. If rate of water evaporation exceeds rate of water intake, plant cells will. If rate of water evaporation exceeds rate of water intake, plant cell will. क्या होगा तब? A is start to lose stomata, B है the roots will look for more water, C है the cells will start to plasmolysis and D is the cells will start to photosynthesize. Guys guess the answer. This is question number 30. Here the right answer is option C, the cells will start to plasmolysis. This is the right answer. If rate of water evaporation exceeds rate of water intake, plant cell will, the cells will start to plasmolysis. Option C is the right answer. Question number 31 is functions of palisade layer is 2. Functions of palisade layer is 2. A is protect the left surface, B is drive away the insects by producing strong odors, C is enable absorption of light through chloroplasts and D is become active in light independent stage of photosynthesis. Here the right answer is, guys guess the answer. Question number 31. Option C is the right answer, that is enable absorption of light through chloroplast. This is the right answer. Function of palisade layer is to enable absorption of light through chloroplasts. Next question is question number 32. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, that is CO2, must first be covered into. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide must first be covered into. A is glucose, B is sugar, C is peptones and D is galactones. Here the right answer is 32. 32 का जो right answer है that is option B, sugars. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide must first be covered into sugars. Next question is question number 33. Rapid diffusion of carbon dioxide CO2 to inner cells is ensured through. A is large flat surface, B is left stalk and C is thin lamina. Guys guess the answer. Here the right option is question number 33. यहाँ पे जो राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर, थिन लैमिना. रैपिड डिफ्यूजन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टू इनर सेल्स इज इंश्योर्ड थ्रू थिन लैमिना. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फर्स्ट स्टेबल फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स CnH2MON formed in photosynthesis is. First stable form of carbohydrates formed in photosynthesis is. कौन सी है फर्स्ट स्टेबल फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जो फॉर्म्ड होती है फोटोसिंथेसिस में? हियर ए इज कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर्स, बी इज डिसैकेराइड्स, D is cellulose and C is cellulose and D is glucose. Guys guess the answer. Question number 34. Here the right answer is first stable form of carbohydrates formed in photosynthesis is option D is the right answer, that is glucose. ठीक है, 34 का जो है क्या आंसर है? ऑप्शन D, that is glucose. Next question is water and dissolved salts are carried through. Water and dissolved salts are carried through. A is veins, B is midrib of left, C is xylem, and D is phloem. Guys, guess the answer. Question number 35. Here the right answer is option C, that is xylem. Water and dissolved salts are carried through xylem. Next question is question number 36. John Baptista Van Helmont proved that, क्या प्रूव किया? जॉन बैप्टिस्टा वैन हेलमोंट ने क्या प्रूव किया? ए इज प्लांट ईट द सॉइल, उसने बोला कि प्लांट क्या करते हैं? ईट द सॉइल. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज प्लांट्स कैन ग्रो विदाउट सॉइल. सी इज प्लांट शेड लीव्स व्हेन दे आर पुट इन सॉइल, एंड डी इज नन ऑफ दीज. गाइस, गेस द आंसर. दिस इज 36 नंबर क्वेश्चन. सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज नन ऑफ दीज. इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं. ठीक है, दिस इज द राइट आंसर. Next question is question number 37. At some point a food chain always ends upon. At some point a food chain always ends upon. A is animals, B is digestion, C is plants, and D is all of these. Question number 37. Here the right answer is option C, that is plants. 37 का option C is the right answer. At some point a food chain always ends upon plants. Next question is question number 38. Branches of left veins ends in. Branches of left veins ends in. A is upper epidermis, B is lower epidermis, C is mesophyll cells, and D is all of these. Guys, guess the answer. Question number 38. Here the right answer is option C, that is mesophyll cells. Branches of left veins ends in. Branches of left veins ends in mesophyll cells. Next question is question number 39. For many autotrophic organisms, an essential source of energy is. For many autotrophic organisms, an essential source of energy is. A option is thyl, B is nutrient, C is light, D is eating plants. So guys, guess the answer. Question number 39. Here the right answer is option C, that is light. For many autotrophic organisms, an essential source of energy is light. Next question is question number 40. Digested food materials are carried to all parts of plant, especially digested food materials are carried to all parts of plant, especially. Options are stem, root, apices, C is leaves, D is all of these. Guys, guess the answer. Question number 40. Here the right answer is, I hope आपने आंसर टिक कर लिया होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 का जो राइट आंसर है, दैट इज ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ दीज. Digested food materials are carried to all parts of plant, especially stem, root, apices or leaves. ठीक है, so option D is the right answer, that is all of these. Question number 41 is through enzyme maltose can be converted into. Through enzyme maltose can be converted into. Here A is starch, B is sucrose, C is glucose, and D is galactose. Guys, here the right answer is option जो है 4 आपके पास दिए हैं. You have to tick 1. So question number 41 का जो right answer है, that is option C, glucose. ठीक है, this is the right answer. Through enzyme maltose can be converted into glucose. Next question is question number 42. Bination refers to A is transporting food for storage, B is transporting food in chutes, and C is transporting food through vein network, D is transporting food through phloem. Guys, guess the answer. I hope आपने आंसर गेस कर लिया होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. Here the right answer is option C, transporting food through vein network. This is the right answer. Bination refers to transporting food through vein network. Next question is question 43. Digestive processes of plants and animals. A is cannot be matched, B is are very similar, C is greatly vary, and D is are alike due to similar digestive systems. Guys, guess the answer. Question number 43. Here the right answer is option B, are very similar. Digestive process of plants and animals are very similar. Option B is the right answer. Question number 44 is presence of starch verifies that. क्या वेरीफाई करता है? So guys, guess the answer. 4 options are there. A is photosynthesis has not taken place. जो स्टार्च है, प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च वेरीफाई क्या करता है? फोटोसिंथेसिस हैज़ नॉट टेकन प्लेस, फोटोसिंथेसिस हैज़ टेकन प्लेस, इट हैज़ नथिंग टू डू with photosynthesis, and D is photosynthesis hasn't taken place. Guys, guess the answer. Question number 44. Here the right answer is option B, that is photosynthesis has taken place. स्टार्च अगर है तो वो क्या वेरीफाई करता है? फोटोसिंथेसिस हैज़ टेकन प्लेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 is starch formation can occur in. Starch formation can occur in. Options are roots, stem, leaves, phloem. So guys, guess the answer. आई होप आपने आंसर गेस कर लिया होगा. स्टार्च फॉर्मेशन कैन ऑकर इन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. हियर द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज रूट्स. स्टार्च फॉर्मेशन ऑकर इन रूट्स. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन 46. लेफ्ट स्टॉक इनेबल्स इन. लेफ्ट स्टॉक enables in. A is rapid diffusion of carbon dioxide, B is rapid diffusion of maximum sunlight, C is rapid loss of water, and D is rapid conversion of physical energy in chemical energy. So left stalk enables in. Question number 46. Here the right answer is option B, rapid diffusion of maximum sunlight. Left stalk enables in rapid diffusion of maximum sunlight. This is the right answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47 इज अपर एपिडर्मिस इज लार्जली कंपोज्ड ऑफ. जो अपर एपिडर्मिस होता है इज लार्जली कंपोज्ड ऑफ. ए इज पॉलीसेड टिश्यू, बी इज मेसोफिल टिश्यू, सी इज क्यूटिकल, एंड डी इज स्पॉन्जी टिश्यूज. गाइस, गेस द आंसर. क्वेश्चन 47. हियर द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज पॉलीसेड टिश्यू. Upper epidermis is largely composed of palisade tissue. Next question is question 48. Irregular shape and loose arrangement of cell is characteristic of. Irregular shape and loose arrangement of cell is characteristic of. किसकी characteristic होती है ये? Guys, guess करो किसकी characteristic होती है? A is cuticle cells, B is spongy tissues. So guys, guess the answer. Only 2 options are here. So here the right answer is question number 48. Question number 48 का जो right answer है that is option C. ठीक है, C जो option है वो क्या है हमारा? spongy tissue. ठीक है, this is the right answer. So the right answer is spongy tissue. This is the right answer. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 जो है वो एक बार फिर देख लेते हैं क्या है हमारा. यहाँ पे पूछा गया है इरेगुलर शेप एंड लूज अरेंजमेंट ऑफ सेल इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ. किसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है? हियर आंसर इज स्पॉन्जी टिश्यूज. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. ठीक है, दिस इज द राइट आंसर. सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी हैव completed 48 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्रिपेयर वेल, परफॉर्म वेल. फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.